Hey guys, and welcome back. Today let's take a look at the Insta360 GO2. Is it that Swiss army knife of cameras, what many people think it could be? To be honest, the first impression is pretty great, especially comparing it to the original Insta360 Go, which came out quite a while back. Taking the first shots of this camera, I got a bit excited and almost killed it in the process. Twice. This here was the first one, and then a wave came and almost washed it away, so definitely there was some salt water on the case. The camera is waterproof, so no worries about that. However, the case is not, and whether that survived, we will find out after the intro. Let's roll it. Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Insta360 GO2. It is a tiny camera with a lot of features. You can take great time-lapse videos like this. You can take slow motion videos. You can change the aspect ratio in post in the software. So for that, it is really a camera which is difficult to match, especially at that price point. Let's do a quick unboxing. The case itself, the box, looks almost identical the same like the first one. The picture and the design changed a little bit, but if you don't know what you're looking for, maybe you can misunderstand the first Insta360 with the Insta360 GO2. Ripping off the plastic and we have the camera. And what really sticks out here is that we have now interchangeable camera covers, and that's coming in handy when we want to apply ND filters. That was really tough and hard to do with the first version. Also, now we can change it out when we are scratching the lens cover. Without an expensive repair, when there was a scratch in the lens of the first version, there was not much to do about it. Now coming to the case, there was a huge upgrade to that. The case is not just anymore a charging function for the camera, it still charges the camera. However, the new case is also a remote controller. It's a stand where the camera clicks in and where we can do all the settings without the app on our smartphone to do all the adjustments we need before taking that shot. And that is the great feeling of that Swiss army knife of cameras, having it always with us and taking instantly the shot we want to take, no matter what kind of situation is unfolding. I also use the Insta360 GO2 as an FPV camera to capture footage from my drone, from my quadcopter, and I was flying it the other day on the 250, and it was great. Check out the video in the description below and I will link it at the end of this one here as well. The footage coming from that is really great. The stabilization on a drone when flying is buttery smooth. A huge drawback of the old camera was that the recording time was heavily limited because of overheating issues. The new camera can capture 30 minutes of unstabilized footage. That then drops down to 15 minutes with basic stabilization, and when flow state is turned on, 10 minutes recording is not a problem for this camera, and that is great for most situations I'm using it for. In my case, that's FPV, mountain biking, or taking the kayak out to the ocean and taking that shot. In all situations I was throwing the camera in, it just was performing great. And that is giving me the feeling that it is my Swiss army knife of cameras, having it always with me besides my iPhone, which has limitations for taking those stabilized shots. Also the weight is different. So it is a very nice addition to the personal camera you're having with you, that you, whenever you have a situation which you want to capture, it gives you more ability than just your smartphone. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, that would really help out the channel a lot. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe, and see you in the next one.